So as you can see, if you've noticed, the setup is a little bit different today than the usual. It's too bright for my taste, but I wanted to do this demo in the bathroom, but I got lazy. I felt lazy, you know, and too lazy even to put on a shirt. So yeah, what can I do? I think this will have to do for now. Hey, what's up, Beers and Greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beers and Stuff. And this is too bright for my taste indeed. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not so used to this. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, I just want to get this demo out of the way so we can shift to different, or not different, so we can get back to pomade reviews. So I need to get this over with, so we can mix things up a bit, make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so we have a ton of products lined up for the coming months. Yeah, pomade reviews, of course, and I've probably already gotten a haircut by the time this video goes live, or by the time you see this video. So that's what I forgot to say. So there you go. And also, I forgot to mention part of the main reason why the bright setup, except this one right here. This is just a filler video because I tend to forget things, right? So in order to avoid confusion, so here you go. And like I was saying, the main reason why the bright setup, far from my usual, my usual setup, which is a dark dramatic tone, something like that, is it's because, so when I actually use the heated beard straightening product, or the straight artifact, you can actually see what it's doing to my beard, and what my beard is actually gonna look, or how it progresses, so we can see if there's a difference when using the product or not, from the before and the after, from the start of the video to the end, till the end. So okay, that's all I wanted to say. Now continue on. Anyway, what I was trying to say is, let's just get into the demo. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna unzip. No, this is not zip. This is a Velcro. So I'm just gonna unravel this, and let's turn it on. Yeah, and stick it right there. Then you see that blink? It means it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna press this power button. Okay, so there you can see it's going up, starting from, I don't know, 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's too bright, or I don't know, the camera doesn't quite get it. So yeah, it's getting hot. So 1 degree at a time. So we'll just wait for it. So but before that, I'll just set this up to 200 degrees Celsius. But one thing that I didn't mention, I don't know if this measurement, or I don't know if that real life temperature is gonna be accurate at 200 degrees Celsius, because I don't have the heat gun. No, it's not the heat gun, the thermal gun yet. So that will have to wait. So anyway, while we're waiting, I'll get back to you once this gets to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, see you. So welcome back. We're here. So now that's 200 degrees Celsius. I don't know if that's accurate. So this will have to wait a little while. But before that, make sure, before you use this heated brush, make sure you clean your beard, nice and prepped. Don't use this on wet, sopping wet, dripping wet beard, because you'll cook your beard. You'll damage it. So I have a little bit of product on my beard. So what I'm gonna do is just brush it with my boar bristle brush, just to prepare it for the upcoming battle. So yeah, just help with control later on when we start to use the brush. So okay, I think we're good. And ooh, no, what's this, oh man. Okay, here goes nothing. So what I do is I just brush it just like a normal brush. Use it like a normal brush. It ends to get hot, of course, 200 degrees Celsius, if that's accurate. But don't worry, okay? Just a few strokes from each side, then move to the other side. So I started here, like, I don't know, five strokes. Then okay, here at the front. Okay, just use your skin or your chin as a what do you call this, ironing table, something like that, so that your beard will get straight. Yeah, but one thing that I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous video, but I don't like the way the shape, dome shape, because all the contact surface will be right here, so you have to rock it back and forth. I don't know, so I just tend to focus on the center, just like that. Until you are satisfied, and it's up to you how long you want to use this product. But for me, it takes a little bit of time, because I have problem areas, as you can see right there. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, it doesn't fully straighten, but it depends to you what kind of look you're going for. You want that almost straight, or a little bit natural look. But the more you use it, I mean, will also train your beard to go the way you want it to be. So just like that. Okay. Yeah, so this is how I use it. I just I don't, not copy, but I follow tips and tricks from BeardTube. If you know the guy, if you know him, he gives awesome reviews, and Dancy bearded. So man, this video is getting long. Okay, so yeah, I won't do this for too long. I just want to show you if the product works or not. So at least that scary part is using it on my mustache, because there's the gaps are too wide. I do get contact on the heating element when using it on my mustache. So okay, I forgot. So you can also do it like this, from under your chin, going outward. So as you can see, it still has that wave. So I can't fully get rid of that. So that's what I'm trying to work on, that part right there. So I don't have the thickest of beards, I don't have the best of beards, but I do what I can. Okay, don't hate on me. So there. As you can see, at least they look straight enough. Okay, that's enough. This is gonna take too long. So after that, just comb it like that. Comb it to the style you want, however you want it. As you can see, it's not really straight. I don't know if you want that really straight, stiff and natural looking beard. It's up to you. If you want to retain or maintain that natural look, maybe you can use it for a shorter period of time. So that's an understatement, and it's common sense. So that's what I like to do. Okay, so just like that. Of course, we didn't touch the beard because it's gonna be a disaster. I don't want to burn my lip. So there, that's just a simple tutorial. So I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so what do you think about that? Okay, in my experience, the straining effect, it doesn't last that long, probably an hour or two, or a couple hours, something like that. So after you use the heat straining brush or the beard brush, make sure to apply your favorite beard care products, such as your beard oil, or yeah, of course, your beard oil. Most importantly, that's the number one thing you should remember. Beard oil is your number one friend. Then if you want, you can also use beard balm. So just let the beard oil sit. Oh, am I getting arrested? Oh my, no. Okay, I'm sorry about that. That wasn't for me, and it was an ambulance. So I was just kidding. I hope everyone is doing fine, doing great, healthy. You know, keep your social distance. Okay, always wear a mask. So yeah, but with the beard, of course, you know, wearing a mask is somewhat troublesome. Yeah, we can't fully flaunt our beard or something like that. So anyway, what do you think about this guy right here? Yeah, you think it works? So I'm just gonna unplug it just to be safe. So what do you think about this one? I mean, for 200 pesos, almost 199 pesos, like I mentioned in the previous video. I mean, yeah, I can't complain, you know. Look how sturdy that is. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's very thick plastic, although this surface, this back surface right here, also tends to get pretty hot, so beware. Okay, I forgot. I'll leave the link in the description down below of the shop, or the link in Lazada where you can buy this if you want to. Okay, so also still I'm still looking for that best beard heated beard brush, beard comb, beard straightener. Yeah, I want the slim type, and also I'm checking out the cordless one. Yeah, it's a little bit expensive, so, and there are also higher end beard straightening products. It costs around let's say more or less $100, so that's like 5,000 pesos in our currency. So that will have take a while, because I have to save up for so that I can afford them, of course. That's for you. So anyway, what do you think about this? I think it works somehow. I'll get by. But when using it on my hair, now I don't really like it, because I get snags when I use it. The rubber tip sticks to my hair, especially when even when it's dry, or especially when it's damp. So rubber wet, something like that. The grip, I don't like it, so I just use it on my beard, so there will be no hair demo with this one, because yeah, I don't really it doesn't work for me. It takes me about 30 minutes before I finish, so that would be twice as this video. I'm already in the 15-minute mark. So final thoughts. I think yeah, I finally did the demo. I'm done with the demo, so I'm still gonna use this until I find the best beard straightening heat brush out there. I'm eyeing something right now. I think I'm still communicating things like that, designs, origins, blah blah blah. But don't worry, you will see it when you see it, when I upload it. Okay. So anyway, that's it for my review of this. Yeah, the straight. What's the name? Straight Artifact. Oh my goodness. It's like yeah, every time I say that name, it feels like I'm gonna discover something. Like, can I use this as a hammer? Okay, so enough with that. Enough with kidding around. So, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, and if you love this video, of course, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, share the love, share whatever. That will be a great help. So anyway, that's it, and I'll see you in the next bit. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, beardtastic, hairtastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Beard Sense Style.